Do any of our butterflies escape from here? No, we are a USDA containment facility, 100% enclosed with multiple layers of containment. So these butterflies stay here. Oh look, we see the jets. We actually get to see them today. Look. Yay. Oh, they went behind a cloud and there they are again. I really need to work on learning my jets so I can tell which one's which up in the sky. Wow, the owls are representing today. They're everywhere, they're everywhere. There's a Hernan, yes. Let's see, look at this. Wasn't it just yesterday? It has to have been just yesterday, Monday, Monarch Monday. This was a nice full big plant. Look at how much these caterpillars ate yesterday. Wow. Almost every leaf on that plant. So I'll have to get switched out with another milkweed today. This guy over here. Everywhere I go, I'm in someone's way. Turn on, waiting patiently. Need to move out of the way. How does Hernan like married life? That was their vow renewal. So him and Vani are well accustomed to married life. That was their vow renewal for their 10-year wedding anniversary. So I'd say pretty good. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. Is there a capacity for how many butterflies? No. We try to keep 12 to 1,500 flying at all times. Glasswing is enjoying the yellow watermelon. And up there, there's quite a conversation being had up there. Paradise tanagers are up there. Talking. hello there. Alex and Josh have been putting up new distractions for the Java rice finches. Seems to be working. They're not actively destroying that orchid. Working on the grass instead, the moss. Wow, look at that. More jets. Let's see if we can see them. Not this time. Oh, look at the Gouldian finch. Oh, and a dove too. Oh, two doves. The two doves came in for a fast landing. Scared off the Gouldian finch. There's two butterflies working on making more butterflies. Wendy got here early today. She was on fruit cart early, so I think the tanagers came to the cart. They know exactly where to land depending on who's driving the fruit cart. When Wallace is driving, he drives fast all the way to the beginning and then backtracks. When Wendy and Melissa are driving the fruit cart, they stop as they go. So I think we probably missed the big tanager landing by about 30 seconds because I was in the gift shop obsessing over how many cups we have. Well, hello there. Back to Turtle Bridge. Oh, and I see 4 turtles now. Two full turtles and 2 extra turtle faces. And Papa Duck, who really enjoys turtle food. Bye, Judy. Have a good day. Ooh, the morphos are waking up over here. The ducks love the turtle food. In fact, the ducks love any food that they think they aren't supposed to have. So they wander around eating everybody's food. Getting it all stirred up for the turtles. You can do a better job of stirring than they can.